Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on REALME GT Neo 5. Let's begin! First, we can start with expanding Control Center and expanding it once again. Here we have a little auto rotate. We want to make sure that it's enabled for auto rotation to begin and really work. So we can click on it. Now we have a little animation and our auto rotation is enabled. If we would go, for example, to our calculator, we can see that now we can take our device and rotate it. If we would have this setting disabled, then as you can see there is no way for us to rotate it, though there is a little icon that is showing us that it's disabled, and you can click on it to disable it. So we can also have the access to manually switching it, and then it will stay in that position unless we click the button. But if you want your auto rotation to work and not have manual rotation, which is pretty dumb, all you want to do is once again expand Control Center twice and click Auto Rotate. If for some reason auto rotation is not enough and the rotation isn't working, you can always go and disable your phone. You can do that by pressing and holding power button or power button and volume up button. Sometimes it's a little bit different depending on what you have set on your shortcut. So now I'll restart the phone and input my lock screen passwords because otherwise it won't let me do that. Now, why are we performing a hard reset? Soft reset? This is because whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting your software, but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for, you guessed it, screen rotation. So a nice little reset should help it work. I hope so. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.